Before we continue, I would love to touch upon a couple of things I've learned in my journey that hopefully will help you model and teach design thinking to your students more effectively. First is that design thinking is only as effective and helpful, or even ineffective and harmful, as the person or group of people using it. As the designer Jennifer Daniel pointed out in her speech, design is not good unto itself. Design is in fact neutral. The results of using design thinking depends on how we use it. Second is that as design thinkers, we have biases that we are not always aware of. Since biases are based on assumptions and stereotyping, and not on rational, systematic thinking, implicit biases affect our ability to make more intelligent decisions and ideas. Another crucial aspect we need to examine when practicing design thinking are inequalities and oppressiveness that stems from privilege and power. As a design thinker, you enter the context or space of the end user with privilege and with a position of power because of the fact that you are tasked to solve the end user's problems. Design thinkers are sometimes placed onto a pedestal, which could ultimately create a savior complex that could possibly, if not careful, inflate their sense of importance. This relationship might lead to behaviors, decision-making, and structures that perpetuate power, privilege, and oppression. There are three things that you can do to combat the negative consequences of our biases, privilege, and power. The first two is to continuously practice self-awareness and self-reflection throughout the process so that you're more aware of the power dynamics and privilege that exist within the relationship of the design thinker and end user, as well as the biases we have and the assumptions that we make that can be counterproductive to the quest that we have to bring positive change. The third is to make the relationship between you and the people with the problem or challenge more of a partnership so that the solutions are a result of true collaboration, co-creation, and where designers are decentering themselves. So the end users are seen as assets to the process, seeing their skills, background, and experiences as crucial factors. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you are interested in learning more, please check the links below to receive free resources that can help you start on your journey of equipping your students with design thinking.